Judicial passage, civil judgment cases in shorthand start. On the other hand, the learned counsel for the respondents supported the impugned judgment, arguing that the trial court considered all aspects of the matter and rightly struck off the right of the petitioners to produce oral evidence. Full stop. The petitioners were found responsible for prolonging the matter on various pretexts. Full stop. The impugned judgment does not suffer from any illegality or infirmity, and thus, it does not warrant interference by this court. Full stop. Therefore, the appeal is liable to be dismissed. Full stop. Para. We have heard the submissions of the learned counsel for the parties and perused the material on record with their assistance. Full stop. The record indicates that initially, the evidence of the respondents number 1 plaintiff Wide was closed on 17/09/2019 and their evidence until 22/02/2020, despite having obtained multiple opportunities during the intervening period. Full stop. On 22/02/2020, the official witness Patwari Halka PW6 was resummoned with the consent of both parties for cross-examination by the petitioners. Full stop. The petitioners completed the cross-examination of the said official witness on 09/03/2021, and then the case was once again fixed for 10/03/2021 for the evidence of the petitioners. Full stop. To gain a proper understanding of the controversy, the proceedings on subsequent dates of hearing, excluding the dates on which the court was on leave, are summarized in the tabular form below. Full stop. There is a prevalent and concerning trend of frequent adjournment requests in lower courts, which amounts to an abuse of the process of the court. Full stop. This practice has significantly contributed to a substantial backlog of litigation in the lower judiciary. Full stop. It is imperative that we actively discourage this behavior to ensure the prompt delivery of justice to the citizens of Pakistan. Full stop. By curbing the routine use of adjournments, we can expedite legal proceedings, alleviate the burden on the lower judiciary, and ultimately enhance the efficiency of the judicial system. Full stop. This, in turn, will contribute to a more timely and effective resolution of legal matters, prompting access to justice for all. Full stop. It is apparent from the above noted detail of the trial court proceedings that the petitioners were afforded more than 43 adjournments spreading over more than 2 years for the production and recording of their evidence. Full stop. Even, despite the clear warnings, i.e. last opportunity by the trial court and the imposition of costs, the petitioners failed to produce and record the oral evidence. Full stop. Besides, we have also noted the conduct of the trial court as it liberally granted unreasonable adjournments for the recording of the evidence of the petitioner.